my home. I thought today I'd take you through the house and just give you a little tour of the Christmas decorations. I didn't go all out with a lot of decorations, but I'll show you what I did. So this is the front entrance, and this is Buddy's friend Rudolph. Buddy just loves to hang out and chew on the greenery. And this is what you see whenever you walk through the front door. All of our Christmas cards are there, and that's one of the trees. And I picked up this little sign. It just reminded me of when we had our cows. And then just walking towards the kitchen, the dining room, I just have this little snowman sitting on the island. And then over in the dining room, I just put that little greenery with the lights. And then this is from the kitchen looking over into the living room. I don't put any decorations on this tree, I just like the lights on it. And we have the fireplace going, and that is my newest addition this year. Little snowman on the floor. I love snowman. And this is a pillow I picked up last year at, I think, Home Sense. Just like the looks of that. And on the table, I just like to keep something in this bowl to keep Buddy out of it. And those are non-breakable bulbs. So far, he's been pretty good and hasn't touched them. This little guy is just at the landing coming down the stairs into the basement. And that's a Christmas tree in our family room in the basement. Just have a little blanket there in case anybody gets cold. Again, you can see snowmen. And that's what the tree looks like. And my father actually made me the reindeer and Santa's sleigh. And my sister did the toll painting. And that's just some of the tree ornaments. And I just have this Santa Claus hanging on that's a door where I store all of my Christmas decorations. And then in the bathroom downstairs, I just put that little snowman. And then I have this little snowman hanging on the door into the furnace room. I'll just show you these guys close up. He had 2 arms, but Buddy knocked him off. And as you can see, he lost an arm. I didn't want to throw him out because he's so cute and sparkly. And here's the other one. I just think they're so cute. And I'll just show you some of the ornaments close up. This is a little bear I bought years ago out in Banff. We each have one. My husband's is up there. This ornament was made for me by my godson, who is no longer with us. We lost him 12 years ago. And I always put it on my tree. And inside is his letter that he wrote to Santa. So that holds a very special meaning. And that is a picture of my husband and I at our mixed party before we were married. And we can see Santa driving his tractor and getting hay for the cows. And I picked that up in London. I try to pick up ornaments wherever we travel. This ornament down here is special because my daughter had given it to my father one year. So when Dad passed away, and I ended up taking it, and I just hang it there in memory of him, so he's with us. That is a ornament I think I picked up in St. Lucia when we were on a cruise a few years ago. And the lighthouse, I believe, is from Peggy's Cove in Nova Scotia. And some more snowman. And that is my daughter, her first Christmas. She's 27 now. My nephew made me that ornament, so it holds a double special meaning. I have tons more decorations, but I didn't put too many out this year. There you can see the Santa and the reindeer a little closer. So they mean a lot to me. And as you can see, my skirt under the tree has been disturbed. A certain someone likes to go under this tree at night, and he likes to untie the skirt, so we let him do that. So that's just my little house tour of the Christmas decorating I did. I have, I think, 30 totes of Christmas stuff that I'm sorting through, and stuff that I no longer want. I'm just gonna get rid of. So I hope you've enjoyed my little tour, and if you aren't a subscriber, please click that subscribe button. I'd love to have you here. And from my house to yours, I wish you a very, very Merry Christmas. Bye.